XC60 R-Design. This is the plug-in hybrid version. Now, this has actually come over from one of our branches. We're a Mazda dealer, TW White & Sons. This has come over from our Weybridge branch. They wanted to do a swap, and I quite fancied one of these. So I asked them to bring this over. Now, this has done about 15,000 miles. It's a 70 plate, obviously, in black, and it's beautiful. It really is. The quality of this car has blown me away. Now, I do apologise for the sound quality because it's a very blustery day here, but hopefully you can hear through it. Now, this is a T8 R-Design twin engine, Polestar engine here. Now, I know Polestar there is some sort of link between Volvo and Polestar. I think Polestar only do electric vehicles, if I'm right in saying. This came in as a part exchange at Weybridge, I believe, against one of the CX-60s, the Mazda plug-in hybrid. This car, I've had a look around it, is unmarked. It is absolutely beautiful. And look at that. The most sensible thing ever made, the all-weather mat. I think all cars should have them. Now, you've got this enormous panoramic roof. You've got this lovely, like, dolphin grey sort of half leather seats. The car smells new. Very, very, very nice indeed. Bauer and Wilkins premium stereo. That's a new one to me. You've got the side vents. You've got the electric seats up front. Memory on the driver's side, and with all Volvos, you'll know the build quality is very, very good indeed. I do like these seats as well with that R-Design embossed. Now, something that's impressed me the most out of this car, look at this. So you've got the auto tailgate, which is fine, okay, but look at this. This car has got a tow bar, which you press this button and a tow bar comes out. Okay, you've got to do that part manually. Now look at this. This is the party trick. You can lower this car. So this car is currently, and I'll show you the side view in just a second, is lower now. So that would make it easier to hook this ball to the trailer, the caravan, whatever it is that you may be towing. So that, now I can't imagine that being a standard feature. Look at that, it's going up. And it does it really quickly. I think that's superb. And I can imagine that being a really expensive accessory. So, that's just superb. It's blowing me away. So you've got height adjustable suspension at the back to help hoist your caravan or trailer, whatever it is that you tow. Okay, and you've got that enormous boot, of course. The doors, usual Volvo thickness, a lot of weight to them. Just lovely. Really, really lovely. Now, one of the reasons, I'll be honest, that I asked for this car to come over is we have a Volvo garage just along the stretch that we're on. Therefore, if somebody's looking at a Volvo, they may just come down the road a few minutes and visit us. Now, I know we're a Mazda dealer, but you'll get exactly the same benefits as buying from a Volvo dealer. So there is that was my reasoning behind it. Now, let me share the service history with you. So this car is due a service which we will do ready for the next owner, but it's had 2 services, I think. Here we go. So the PDI was done at the supplying dealer Lister's Volvo of Worcester. Then the first service was done there, and then I believe now the customers must have moved because it's the same. It's only one owner car. Squire Furno in Leatherhead. That's right near our other branch. So that was done at 12,000 miles. It's now done 14,832 miles. But we shall, as I say, do a another service. It may have been done, but I'll check that when I get back in the office, but it will be done regardless. Now, have I started this car up? Yes, I've started this car. It took me a while to figure this out. So you've got this little knob here. So that's your ignition. Okay. So in fact, I'm gonna that's with it all off, and then it all fires into life. I'll be honest, very much like the CX60. And then you've got this little knob here. We've got neutral, drive, B. B1, B2, B3, so that's kind of manual, and then drive. Okay, now I've driven it in hybrid, and I've driven it just pure electric, goes very well. And look at this, it has average 76 miles per gallon. Wow, so a combined of 76, which is superb, really, really good. Now, you've got a reverse camera, okay, you've got all your climate control here. Heated steering wheel. Now this took me a little while to get used to. So you've got your camera, you've got active bending lights, so adaptive lights, okay. But that first came out on the old Citroen DS's, by the way, a little bit of trivia for you. Lane keep assist, yeah. Road signs come up, speed sign assist, collision avoidance, so smart city braking, as you'd expect really with a Volvo. Oh my god, look at that, wiper service position. Never seen that on a car. I suppose you could clean the windscreen. Oh, that's impressive. Park assist. Okay, park assist functions only in low speeds. Yeah, something I wouldn't use anyway. Cancel. You've got apps, so you can pair your phone up, Spotify, etc. What did I see earlier that I thought was really useful? And I have been using Park and Pay. Look at that. So when you go to find a parking space, you can almost, well, you can on my phone, you can put the address in and you can sort of prepay your parking before you get there. Save some time, especially if you're, like, I don't know, going to be catching a train or something like that. So all good stuff. Got that extra speaker there. But this belongs on a Volvo forecourt. It really does. It is absolutely beautiful. This lovely little tidy here, and I believe that may be a wireless charger, but please don't hold it. Hold me to that. But it appears so. You've got drive mode. So what have we got here? Hybrid, everyday use, pure, eco drive, individual, personal driving preferences, Polestar engineered. Not sure what that does. And off-road. And constant all-wheel drive as well. So this car really does do everything. Got to be careful, because I say, being a Mazda dealer and I CX60, I mean, I must say this has got, ooh, felt something happen there. Maybe that's the four-wheel drive kicking in. I'm really impressed, as you can probably tell. You've got rake and reach adjustment on the steering column, paddle shifts, all right. Heated front screen, oh, beautiful. Heated front screen, I think that's one of the best inventions ever. All good stuff. Okay. Now, as I've mentioned a couple of times, we are a Mazda dealer. What are the benefits of buying from us? Well, you're going to get a car which belongs on a Volvo forecourt, but not at the Volvo price. And obviously we do welcome any part exchange, regardless of what you have, whether it be a Mazda Suzuki, which are the two franchises we hold, or anything else. Any make and model is really welcome, and you get the best deal with a part exchange. Okay, I know it's a bold statement to make, but we get it right most of the time. But please do punch your reg number in and do all those things that you're heavily encouraged to do these days, and then get in touch with us. Okay. We've got great finance facilities. Please do inquire within. Part exchange facilities, second to none. The car will come with a year's warranty. We'll put a year's, one of the Mazda ZZ Plus used car warranties, which will mirror the Volvo warranty. It will also have roadside assistance. That's what we put on our approved used Mazda vehicles. It's actually backed up by a company called Allianz. I think they probably have something to do with Volvo as well. So you'll get a comprehensive warranty for a year, free of charge, and you'll get MOT insurance with that as well. Okay, the car will be validated. Not that it really needs it. There isn't a mark on the vehicle, yeah. If you require any further information on this car, because I probably have left out quite a bit with my limited knowledge of these vehicles, I can go away, find out and come back to you. And should that be outside our regular business hours, don't let that put you off inquiring. Pick up the phone, leave a message, we will get notified and we'll give you a call back, or drop us an email. We are really here to help. And if you do have time, have a look at our reviews and it will give you a good idea of what sort of people we are to do business with. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching this video. I've actually really enjoyed doing it because it's something I haven't had before, and yeah, really impressed by it. We look forward to hearing from you. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.